So invalid argument exception. So this is also one simple mistake generally we do during the automation perspective. So I will show the example, then we can understand this one. This is simple. The third one is invalid argument exception. So let's copy this and I'm going to create a new class for this demo. Create a new class, invalid argument exception demo, select the main method, click on finish. So here let's take the first 4 lines of code again, copy this and take it into this invalid argument exception. So in this example, we can take a different website. Let's take like we want to take www.google.com. So this is a valid code and this exception will not happen in this case. But when this exception will happen, I will give you an example. First of all, I am launching the Chrome browser, setting the 10 seconds as implicit wait and launching the Chrome website. Google.com, Google search website I am launching and maximizing the window. So this code will be working fine and you can also quit the browser. That is fine. Driver.quit to close the window. So it will launch and quit immediately. If you want to observe that, we can save it and we can rerun it one more time. It will not quit in this case. So the browser is maximized and the Google search is open, right? There is no exception thrown. Sometimes whenever people are practicing in initial beginners, right? The beginner mistake they will do. They will not put this HTTPS address. They will only put the website address, but do not pass the HTTP or HTTPS in the driver.get or driver.navigate.to. So whenever the URL is incorrect, so in the first case it is having HTTPS colon double slash, but if I am removing this, then this exception will happen. So this is a mistake from the user side. So mostly like the beginners in the Selenium Java automation will be doing this. So if you want to avoid this, the HTTPS colon you have to use. So I'm removing that and now running it, run a Java application, and let's see whether it will work or not. So you can see empty Google Chrome is launched, and if you go back to the Eclipse, org openqa selenium dot invalid argument exception. So it is an invalid argument. Even the browser is not maximized. You can see like this line of code did not execute. So the line number 13 itself, the exception is thrown. If you go to the bottom of the console, you can see invalid argument exception demo java, like line number 13. So the exception is thrown at this line itself because there is no HTTPS colon and even the address is not populated into the Google Chrome also. So you can try it with any other website, the same problem. HTTPS colon, the HTTPS you have to definitely pass, otherwise this exception will happen. If I rerun one more time, the same problem will happen. Invalid argument exception. So it is an invalid argument address here. So let's take this message and copy this and let's put it in our so whenever we are doing this mistake of not putting the HTTPS, the problem will happen. And if you have the HTTPS, this will not happen. So if I rerun it without HTTPS, again the same exception will happen. So go to Eclipse and you can see invalid argument exception. So this is the code that will be creating this problem, and I can try with a different website also. It's not related to the website actually. Suppose if I want to go to my academy website also, let's close this previous things. Academy.swaroopnadella.com. So this is the academy website, and this website, if I am passing here in driver.get, this is having HTTPS colon double slash, so it is going to work. First of all, I will test it with whether it will work or not. So right now it is working fine. and there is no exceptions in the Eclipse. Now the same code I am going to remove the https colon double slash and I will rerun it one more time. So any website it is the same problem. So just the browser will launch, but the address will not load into that because invalid argument is there. So it is expecting for the URL complete URL. So the URL is incomplete here. HTTPS colon double slash or HTTP colon double slash. It is mandatory here. If you are not passing, this problem will be always happening. So this is the example, and if you pass a valid website, it will work. Driver.get, and I am passing a correct website https colon double slash. Now it is going to work. So let's close all the previous things. Previous Chrome sessions, I am closing everything, and let me rerun it one more time. Run as Java application. So the website is loaded successfully without any problem. So I am closing this. And if you want to put driver.pit also, I'm uncommenting that code and rerunning one more time. So there won't be any exceptions in the console. So if you go to the console here, there are no exceptions. So this problem will happen. This is mostly done by the mistake by the Selenium programmer, right? So invalid argument exception. This is very simple thing. So whenever we are doing this line of code, this will happen. Any website, it's not related to the website actually, it's related to the address http colon. So if we miss the https colon double slash or http colon double slash in the website address, if you are missing this one, then the exception will happen. So these are the two examples. So any website you can take and you can try it out with any other website. So this is the third exception we thought to discuss, invalid argument exception.